Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to the north part of the Da Nang beach. We just went out the Peninsula Hotel. We had a drink there on the rooftop. Beautiful view, by the way. Yeah, pretty empty, so it was good. Not sure if we're gonna go back. We're trying out all kinds of good rooftops at the moment to get some good alternatives to the standard ones we already have. But yeah, this is very interesting what's happening right now here. So this was the Fusion Suite from the Fusion Hotels. But I think they sold it back or gave it back or whatever. There's no branding anymore on it. I know they have actually, they're renting out apartments, so few people are still living in there. It was a hotel / apartment building. Now I don't know what's gonna happen with it. But it will be interesting because they are working on it. So what will it be next? What will it be next? That's a big question. But right next door, this place is definitely open. Radisson Red. The rooftop bar opens at 3. Pretty nice in there. It feels so, I don't know why, but Radisson always gives me this European feeling, right?
Yeah,
it's just because so much Radisson is in Germany, so yeah. Yeah, very nice people in there. We already filmed it, and yeah, it's a nice style. I like it. Very young and dynamic. Seldom, yeah. I wouldn't go there anymore. And now we have here the Hilton. It's the Hilton Garden Inn, right? Yeah, we're gonna go now from the Hilton to the right, and then we're gonna go through some sneaky routes and check out the Sontra area, where so many people actually also stay when they are here. Either way, on the beach or inland. And there's so many seafood places here, it's crazy. Yeah, so this is this Hilton Garden Inn here. I also reviewed it. Actually, you can check out, I will pin my hotel review I did with Marcus actually. From this all the way to the back. Peninsula has good toilets with rooftop, beach view, by the way. Yeah, but we're gonna go, I wanna walk some streets I've never walked before. I think the last time we walked this street, we went over there and realized we are not welcome in this coffee shop. There are only Korean welcome in this coffee shop. But we're gonna walk now to the left instead of to the right, which we did last time when we were here. Yeah. So I think we have to go a little bit further and then to the left. Wondering what's gonna happening here. Huh. Are those more of those exclusive coffee shops? Yes, there are. So usually they get some bus tourists here and...
Oh, look at this. Hallelujah.
Ooh. All right, let's cross the street. Not that much going on here.
No.
Look at this H blah blah apartment. Huh. This looks like a calm area here to live, right? Huh. There's a massage place. K-Spa Nails. Massage,
But
foot.
today it feels good. It's not that hot. It's 30 degrees.
It's hot in the sun though.
Yeah, in the sun.
Just but in the shade is okay. That's true. Let's go back in the shade. And then we're gonna go like zigzag these neighborhoods. But yeah, this is a pretty calm area here, I would say. Another apartment building, hotel and apartment, Smeraldo. Interesting. Another, yeah, this lounge, bar and restaurant. Looks super sketchy. I like it. Vietnamese cuisine and egg coffee. Okay.
Kunshan.
Yeah. And the Banbao is here too.
Really?
So there are people living there. Else you would not go there. I think we can walk zigzag here. All right.
It's behind the 4 points.
Actually, we can walk the street. Oh.
Okay. Don't take out.
Those are very quiet streets here.
And also a lot of space to build.
Also, yeah. So if it gets too rowdy, they're gonna build more. And also apartment building here again. You have lots of apartment buildings here, guys. I think this is the place where you still get cheap apartments.
With balcony.
With a balcony. Yeah. And there's I think a pagoda or something in the front.
The Christian pagoda.
Oh yeah.
See the cross?
It's Christian pagoda. Called church, bro. Oh, this looks stylish here. Villa and residences. Also apartment building, guys. Bushy. Ooh, what an entrance. With a pool over there. All right. Very zen here.
Have done more for the greenery there.
Yeah.
It's
And this one looks also fancy.
Anila.
Anila.
Yeah. It's a share.
Sila Anila. And here, sweets. Kua Casa. Kua Casa Sweets. And Meridian. Bau Villa. Okay. Interesting
Look at
neighborhood.
This house at the corner.
Yeah,
It looks good.
that's true.
Just the architecture. What is it?
Architecture?
The architecture.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh. I
very interesting.
take lessons again.
Yeah, you talk too much German, bro.
Yeah, I think yes.
Or maybe, you know what? Why should we talk English? Let's just make everyone talk German.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah. So
This
what
is
is
the
the
right
German word?
mindset.
What is the word for today? The German word for today?
Conquer.
Conquer.
Urban.
Erobern, to conquer. Erobern, okay. Look at this. It's like a huge spa over here.
But
Right
also
next
with-
to the.
They have also beard shaving in also.
Oh, yeah, but I don't think this is pictures of them. Oh, look at this. Total care. It looks like a full service place, Marcus. That you can get your rusty face shaved.
Why it's my rusty?
You know what? That looks very nice.
Yeah.
We should go there. We should make a video over there.
This is total care.
Yeah, they take care of everything here. Very interesting. After that, you're gonna be a handsome man. Just like you go to Thailand.
Yeah, this is the only thing I'm missing. Handsome.
What is this? Levi, Da Nang?
This is the hotel.
Oh, that's Levi. Interesting. They have two, yeah.
Wow.
Okay. So I guess it's also Korean owned. But that looks like a proper construction site here. Yep, something's gonna happening over there.
Oh, look at this big building.
Ooh. Next to 4 points.
No, the 4 points is left.
Yeah,
But this
yeah.
is another one.
Yeah. Look at this, that's a villa as well. Vivien d'Odap.
Sounds very French, Vivienne.
But did you see that this whole street was so calm?
Yeah.
You can drive there without an issue. There's no one there. Let's go to the right.
Yes.
Well, you know what? We did actually to the right. Let's go this one, zigzag over there. Never been there. Maybe there's something.
Look at this.
No, maybe they hide something there from us.
I've never been here.
I mean, I never walked this street here, so. But everything here on Social Semi Walks, guys, Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, guys. Like this video. What is this? A spa? Ooh, ooh, ooh.
This? Oh.
Is it a hotel and spa? Foot and body massage spa. Huh. And look at this, Natural 9 Spa. Okay. Ooh, look at this. There's our apartments here hidden, huh? Let's
Sea Vista. 600.
Guys, 600K per day, I guess, for this. Surf lessons. Tapua.
What it's called?
Yeah, just a little bit of construction.
Salamander.
Salamander. It's even written like German. Salamander. This is probably a villa again, right? Or is it? No, it's an apartment building too. So many apartment buildings here, guys. Oh, is this a villa? Yes, that looks like a villa. But there are people in there. Interesting. Yeah. Oh, what is going on here? Andy motorbike. Okay, let's go this street. That looks like also. And they have some veggies here growing. Gardening, yeah. Strebergarten.
Streber.
Streber, yeah, it's the same thing.
Streber. Café Sun.
What a calm neighborhood here.
Okay.
Phuc Chung 8. That's the street, guys. So this is the Phuc Chung 8 and Le Man Chin. Libra apartment. These are the places you have to go if you want to have like a good deal, guys. We're very far away from everything. Nothing really going on here.
But it's very close to the beach.
It is very close. We are super close. It's 5 minutes walk to the beach, guys. Look at this. What is that? Mai Tai breeze.
Food drink garden.
Huh. And a spa. There's a children's playground and some badminton net. Huh. There's a hotel over there. Okay. This is an interesting building here. Looks like abundant. The Sikong Hotel. Vocumabel over there. Yeah, pretty interesting, guys. And look at this villa here. Oh, is it a villa or apartment building? I don't know. It looks very fancy. Huh. Right, let's walk here. Or, no. This is to the main road. I already did one time. I never walked this street. So this is the street all around Loseby. The Loseby street, where so many hotels, apartments, and cheap eateries are. Is this the alternative to the Antungera? Look at this. This is also a huge villa.
Could it be a villa or just small apartment?
I don't know. It looks like a villa to me.
This is something I like.
Whoa, that looks stylish. It is not even done yet.
It looks so ugly, so industrial.
It looks a little bit like you. Gray. That looks super stylish though. That looks super. It looks like a bunker. Then next door is the John Boutique Villa. Wow.
Look at this application.
So many apartments. Like here is so much living space and
Rich people
but
here.
this is a villa. Oh no, it's a wellness center. It's an offshore company.
Oh, maybe this is for rent. Or what?
Maybe.
What
I
does
don't
it
know.
mean?
I have no idea. I know if it has to be Cho something. CHO. This is another
Very modern.
boutique villa apartments, guys. Another one. Another one.
Indoor pool.
Ooh.
Wow.
Okay. Very bushy.
Yeah, look at the. It looks amazing.
Yeah, it does. There's even a heart. Huh. Do you think this is a villa? The Vibe Spa. So if you don't have the vibe, you're not in here. It looks cheap. 70,000 for shampooing. Yeah.
This is for privacy reasons.
Yep.
Also in
Kevin Villas. I think this is the villa area. This is like it's a real living neighborhood, because you see no one, we just walk alone on the street. No one even drives around here. And look at this toilet.
Yeah. You probably.
This is a nice area, and then you have all this trash here. You see, this is not a tourist place, right? So no one cares. Yeah, everywhere. There's also the trash here piling up. That's very nasty. Look at this. Look at this bullshit. Yeah, just throwing there. Yeah. But as you can see, there's no tourism. There's also no. Oh, actually, look at this. There are the trash cans, but still people throw trash on the floor. It could also be from the wind somehow, but still, no one picks it up, because this is probably just where you live and not.
No, because it's not their problem.
Yeah, very bad.
We have this mindset is very common in the world nowadays.
Yeah.
It's not my problem, so I don't do anything. But here's Philosophy Street.
That's Philosophy Street, yeah. Oh, look at this, Marcus. That's brand new.
Oh, but down.
That's new. That wasn't there when we were last time here. Yeah. Interesting. Where's the Bunja Grill? All right, let's. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, what's going on here? Yeah. No more.
Do you say pavement?
The pavement is gone. They removed the pavement.
They're renewing it. Look.
Oh, look, I can see some. Oh, yes. Oh, wow. Dangerous. They have a hole in the pavement, mate. With an incredible, not immaculate thing. Okay. Do you want to eat something here?
No.
All right, let's move on. All right, guys. So this is also a very popular street here. Eros Hotel. Ooh, that looks like a love hotel here.
Yeah.
So if you're single, you cannot go in there.
Everything around Eros was something with adult entertainment.
That's true. It's a big company there. And this is also very interesting. I did review this hotel, guys. They also have apartments.
Do you think they're closed business? Because
Yeah, it looks like it, yeah. But I think when I went there, they were not done yet. I'm not sure if they're closed again, but it looked pretty nice in there. Very stylish. But yeah. So where we are now is this street here. This street is basically another parallel street to the beach, and it goes all the way to the Antung area. Very interesting. All the way to the Antung area. Very long street there. And you know what? We actually did a walk here the last time. I should link that with maybe. But you know what? Thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here and see you in the next one. Also, don't forget